so close. Oh my gosh. I think it's because I just did a fashion haul. Well, I did a product review on this set. Y'all, look at this. I absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. Hold on. Look at this. This set is super, super cute. And it's like, it got the pockets on it. It's been a day. I got my tripod too. Y'all, I'm in full production mode. I got my mirror over here, even though it's supposed to go back here. Tell me you're a content creator without telling me you're a content creator. I got my tripod. Y'all know I've been talking about this tripod forever. And I finally got Big Daddy to adjust it. But I don't know how to put it back up. So I'm just like holding it. I need to pay attention. Like when y'all's husbands do something. Hey Dior. When y'all's husbands do stuff for y'all, do y'all actually pay attention to it or just let them handle it? I don't pay attention to shit. So I just finished my one-on-one as well. I told y'all I do like the one-on-one content creation type things for people that's trying. Dior. Okay, y'all, Dior just peed on the floor, and she normally never pees on the floor. Like, what are you doing? Like, it pissed me off. Definitely pissed me off. And she got her ass tore up. I don't care. She got her ass tore up. She know better than that. I don't even know what I was talking about. One-on-ones. I just finished. This is like my 8th one-on-one, I want to say. I'm super, super excited. It was a breeze. I'm always nervous when I do them. And I'm like, why am I nervous? Like, this is what I do. Right? Like, I just try to put myself in their shoes and really, like, just, you know, understand what they're going through. Because I was once there. I remember when I first started YouTube, nobody told me anything. Nobody showed me the ropes. Like, it was just, I was on my own. Like, granted, you can get advice and all that good stuff, but it's nothing like actually, you know, being there. So I'm like, that's what encouraged me to do that. So, yeah, I finished that. That was a success. I have another one scheduled for tomorrow, and then I have one in 2 more weeks. So, get to this bag. What else? It was something else. Y'all, my Christmas tree. I didn't show y'all my Christmas tree. I got a Christmas tree on my desk, and it's so cute. My little office. I be vibing. We in the club. We be vibing. What's wrong, baby? I am off of work tomorrow. It's currently 8:14. I'm off of work tomorrow. Trey is as well. Like I said earlier, I got a doctor appointment. And I honestly just needed to break away from work, honestly. Can I sit y'all here? Can y'all still see me? Ooh. That is not the view y'all want. But, yeah, I got a doctor appointment tomorrow. And Nova got accepted into the beta club, y'all. Like, she was literally accepted, and I'm super, super proud of her. We are going to go see her tomorrow. She performs at 9 in the morning. So we're going to hear her debate speech and all that good stuff. Which means I still got to get up early and take the kids to school. Or Trey probably will while I'm home getting dressed. But yeah, that's the plans we got tomorrow. I started, you know, the Christmas gifts and the orders and all the stuff that I needed. I did do that. This weekend, I'm taking y'all with me. I want to do a TJ Maxx run to get a little bit more Christmas items. So I want to get that done. I still haven't gotten my man anything for Christmas, so I'm going to have to do that. Because I don't think, like, ordering right now, I think you're pushing it, and I don't want to push it, so I'd rather just go physically and get it. Last year, I got him a game system. He got the PS5. But see, the thing is, his birthday is a day after Christmas, and it's annoying as hell because I'm going in, buying something for Christmas, then his birthday is the next day. So, I think I want to get him a chain. I'm trying to talk really, really quiet because he's in there. I think I want to get him a chain. Gold, probably. I don't know. I'm going to take y'all with me so y'all can help me Not that y'all are gonna be able to help me because the comments are gonna be delayed, but y'all know what the hell I mean. I'm not tired though. I'm not tired. I do have plenty more samples to promote, so I gotta do that. But yeah, I'm probably gonna do a behind the scenes. Comment below if y'all want to see a behind the scenes in the life of a content creator. Like, I used to do it like back when I first started YouTube, and then I merged over to like TikTok and all that other good stuff. I kind of started doing it there, but I fell off with it. Like, I can't multitask, and that's what I'm learning. I'm not gonna say I can't. I don't want to, right? And I'm learning now in life you have to. So I'm definitely taking advantage of multitasking and doing all the things, because baby, you only live once, okay? I still got all my teeth. I am not 89 years old, and I gotta get to this money. So that is what your girl is gonna do. Normally I charge up all my content stuff at night, so like my ring light is charged because I have the battery powered one and the electric one. Electric, is that how you say it? The one that plugs into the wall. Don't start, y'all. But yes, I gotta put out, so tonight I'm gonna put out this video that I have pinned in. No, did I put it out? Y'all, I think I put it out. It was the topicals video, a sponsorship thing that I did. I think I did that, so I only gotta release this one for the week. I did write down, it's a struggle holding this. I did write down all the things I was supposed to do this week, and as you can see, most of them are checked off. Having this helps. I'm waiting on Bree to finish my schedule. Yes, I called you out. I'm waiting on her to finish the schedule, y'all. She is very good with putting stuff together, like the visuals and, you know, the details of it. So I'm waiting on that to come through so I don't have to write it down and be old school anymore. Happy Monday. Is today Monday? Today is not Monday. Let me redo this again. Happy Wednesday, Mackies. Happy Wednesday. I have my big tripod now, so I'm feeling like a content creator. I finally got it adjusted. I am, per usual, running behind. Got my flat iron. I thought I was going to curl my hair, but I'm going to straighten it. It's 7:52. 7:52. I have to have my makeup done by 8:30 so that I can get Mooney dressed and get to Nova School on time. So, I'm going to start on my hair first and then potentially move on to, look a hot mess. And then, I'm going to move on to, my brows and get things together. Busy day today. Today is extremely busy, and I don't even know why. Per usual, y'all know I'm always complaining about my, warranty. I don't know why I complain about them, because they get the job done, but the heat upstairs went out, so we had to call our warranty. So they're coming out between 8 and 11. Now keep in mind, Nova's beta club debate speech is at 9, so I'm praying they don't come too early and we're able to see her speech. If not, Trey said he will leave and then I will stay so I can get some footage of her. You better leave?
No, man.
He has to go get his blood drawn. It's just a hot mess today, y'all.
It's a busy day.
It's a busy day.
Hey, Maggie. How everybody doing? I'm back. I'm alive. She ain't killed me yet.
Don't. Because I'm still contemplating.
Contemplating?
That's the word.
Or concentrating?
Contemplating.
Contemplating.
Leave my grandma alone.
I still love you.
You better. All these kids I done pushed out for you.
Yeah.
Oh, no, nigga, you ain't going nowhere. Told you I can get a little crazy.
But you can tell me everybody else can have me, right?
Yeah, they can hear your ass.
See? Look, that's that too. How you gonna tell me that everybody can have me, but then you want to kill me?
Because you already know not to play.
Yeah. You know how to play neither.
Baby, it's 7:54. You gotta be there 8:20. Before you leave, can you please do her hair? Cause I don't feel like I'm gonna have time. I should have curled my hair last night. Should have did this last night. Should have did it last night. I haven't hit my pen or nothing. Like, I haven't took my medicine. I haven't ate. All he gonna do is brush your hair out and spray it down. That's it. So the crying needs to stop. It's warm today, and the fit that I had out for today, I don't think it's going to do any justice. Simply because why do I keep putting my brush up knowing I need it? Simply because it is about 70 degrees, and I was going to wear like a sweater top, and like I have this UGG scarf that Trey bought me for Christmas last year, and my UGG toboggan. I was gonna wear that with my outfit because I'm wearing like a black tight outfit, I guess you would say. So I know I'm not gonna be able to wear that because I don't want people looking at me like I'm a patient. And like she got on a hoodie and a scarf and 70-degree weather. I ain't got time for this. So I had to do my hair because that was the intention. So me not even doing my hair because I was wearing that. So my top was about to be busted. Can't do that shit now. It might get loud, y'all, because Haya's getting her hair done. All of my kids are tender-headed. So you might hear a little something, something. Do a little curl or something, because this straight ain't gonna do. Dang, I should have put my flexi rods in, y'all. I promise you she is okay. She's just getting her hair done. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Oh, God, I hate rushing. One thing about me, if I'm doing something or going somewhere, I hate rushing. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now, is rushing. This is the finishing look. So basically, I just went in and did, I wanted to change my nose ring because I want to be presentable for school. And I feel like a hoop is not, but I am who I am, okay? So this is the outfit. Let's see if I can stand up. I should have did it the long way. So it's basically like knitted pants and a cute little sweater top. I went in with my necklace, of course. I have my Pandora bracelet, my tennis bracelet, earrings, and I just hate that my nails is not doing. Y'all see me straighten my hair. I felt like I was still, now that I look at it, it's okay. But I felt like I could have curled it a little bit. I think curling it would definitely define the character. Define the hair. Y'all. It is 8:41. I said I was gonna be done by 8:30. I said I was gonna be done with my makeup by 8:30. I actually finished my makeup at 8:30, got dressed, and I'm done by 8:41. Her school is literally like 5 minutes down the road, but I want to get there early so I can get a seat. So I'm about to undo these. I know I didn't leave them in long enough, so hopefully they still curl. They didn't do what I thought they would do. I mean, given the time frame of leaving them in, y'all, flexi rods are my life. I ordered y'all, because y'all know one thing about me, hubby always drips me in gems and always get me the things that I want or need. But when it comes to Christmas, I also like to splurge on myself. So I ordered a curling wand, like one of the bigger ones, and I'm excited for it to get here. So I'll probably just, what I'll do is, oh, that curl did not come out right. I'm gonna have to hide that. But what I'll do is probably just go in and curl it with the curling iron, and then go on with my flexi rods, because it's something about these rods that speak to me. You know, they speak life to me. Let's see. Okay, it melted a little bit. Bringing y'all with me. I'm bringing my camera because I am bringing my camera. Let's just turn this off. I went in with my siesta key. Also, Mackey's, I didn't even tell y'all, Trey bought me another Louis bag. He bought me another one. I meant to show y'all. Because remember the first one, he got me the monogram one. And then look. Now granted, I did tell him I wanted this like 2 years ago. So he finally saved up and got it for me. I got my selfie clip. Mooney, look in the closet and get mommy's red Uggs out. I am wearing Uggs today. How the fuck do I unscrew this? Let me get in the car and then I'll pick up when I get in the car. I don't know what the hell.